Attention. Please advise you're attending health authority immediately. Your health is our priority.
How can you ask for food at a time like this? Eh? Last one. Better get something this time.
Yes, sir. What is the purpose of your travel?
Should a member of your party be ill, please advise you're attending health authority officer immediately. Your health is our priority.
Hey, I'm closed. Out, please.
Just need a few things.
No, I'm closed right now.
Hang on, have some patience. I've just been through 2 checkpoints to get here. Won't be a sec.
Well, would you like some help?
No.
Hey, where's your...
Oh, left it in the car. Took it off because I find it hard to breathe with those things, you know.
Hey, forget about it. You'll be fine. Let's go.
What, you're not afraid of dying?
Not anymore.
That for real? You're packing heat? Go!
Don't try anything, Pops. 1860.
What, for 2 packets? What you got any other food? Oh, tins? Pay good money for tins.
1860, you pay it or leave. Hey, I'm closed. There's no food. Where are you going? You shouldn't have done that.
She's infected. She's been knocked.
I'm not sick.
Did she look sick? This is my fiancée, Rachel.
What? Millions have died. You two just can't make up your own bloody rules.
Wait!
You're one of those loonies who believes in some sort of conspiracy.
I can't let you leave here.
Now, what are you going to do? Shoot me? Go ahead.
You don't understand. You leave me with no choice.
Look, I lost my wife for 40 years. I had to walk off my farm because I couldn't cope. I'm bloody starving. What's left to understand?
You're right. No one recovers. No one escapes. But she did. And she's gonna have my child. I mean, you realize how important that is? That people are gonna see the truth.
You're a bloody troublemaker, that's the truth.
They're gonna search here. We have to move now. You said you had a farm.
Brad!
Oh, please, not now.
I always pick my moments. What's your name?
George.
George, you can help me. I heard about your farm. I need you to take us there. Brett works hard.
We picked up at the first checkpoint.
There are ways around checkpoints. That's how I got here.
Yeah, well, what about me? First number plate scan. They'll know I'm outside my zone. It's just no way.
You're so negative, aren't you? Of course you won't make it if you don't even bloody try. Do you even hear what you're saying? You're just gonna leave us here.
I'm sorry, I just can't.
I need you, please. Please.
No, you can't move now anyway. Just make it comfortable. I'll need to get a couple of things.
Oh,
How many people on the premises?
Just me.
Where's your mask? This is a public place.
Sorry. Just doing stock and I took it off. I find it hard to breathe with these things, you know.
You're not the normal guy.
He's busy.
Really? Doing what?
He didn't say.
It appears you had company. Now, why did you lie to me? You want to be locked up with the infected? Who's in there? Run!
Who's going to shoot her? The child. Lived a good life, Pig. Always did everything anyone ever asked. Never made a fuss. But I know you wouldn't want me to go on living like this, so... You put in a good word for me, eh?